My math topic for this tutorial video is how to add and subtract dissimilar rational algebraic expressions. Wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa, tayo nang magsimula. Example number 1. 2m over m minus 1 plus 3 over m plus 4. Obviously, the denominators are different. Step 1. Find the LCD. But, if your denominators are binomials, to find the LCD, we will just multiply the denominators. Kaya ang magiging LCD po natin ay ang product ng m minus 1 at ng m plus 4. Step 2. Divide the LCD by the denominator, then multiply to the numerator. Pero, may mas madali akong paraan. Ang tawag ko dito ay takip method. Paano itong takip method na ito? The first denominator is m minus 1. Then, tatakpan natin si m minus 1 at ang m minus 1 sa ating LCD. Ang naiwan sa LCD ay m plus 4. Multiply m plus 4 to the numerator, 2m. Susulat natin, 2m times m plus 4. The operation used is addition. Susulat natin ay plus. Extend natin ang ating fraction bar. Next, m plus 4. Takpan natin si m plus 4 sa ating LCD. Ang naiwan ay m minus 1. Multiply m minus 1 to the numerator, 3. Sulat natin, 3 times m minus 1. Next step is simplify using distributive property. Multiply 2m to m plus 4 and 3 to m minus 1. So, 2m times m is 2m squared. Then, 2m times 4 is positive 8m plus 3 times m is 3m. Then, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. All over the LCD, m minus 1 and m plus 4. Next step is simplify by adding like terms. The like terms in the numerator are 8m and 3m. Add these two. 2m squared plus 8m plus 3m is 11m minus 3 over the product of m minus 1 and m plus 4. I tried factoring 2m squared plus 11m minus 3 by factoring general trinomial where a is greater than 1 and I got no answer, meaning the trinomial 2m squared plus 11m minus 3 has no binomial factors. This is now the final answer, or you may simplify the denominator by multiplying it using FOIL method. Example number 2. 3 over x minus 8 plus 7 over x plus 3. Step 1. Find the LCD. Multiply these denominators. X minus 8, x plus 3. Step 2. Takip method. First denominator is x minus 8. Takpan natin. Takpan din natin kay LCD ang x minus 8. Ang naiwan ay x plus 3. Multiply x plus 3 to numerator 3. Sulat natin dito, 3 times x plus 3. Since addition ulit ang ginamit, lagyan natin ng plus sign. X plus 3. So, takpan natin kay LCD ang x plus 3. Ang naiwan ay x minus 8. Multiply x minus 8 kay numerator 7. So, sulat natin 7 times x minus 8. Step 3, simplify by distributive property. Distribute 3 to x plus 3 and 7 to x minus 8. So, 3 times x is 3x. And 3 times 3 is positive 9. Next, 7 times x is positive 7x. Next, 7 times negative 8 is negative 56. Copy the LCD. X minus 8 times x plus 3 equals. Step 4, simplify by adding like terms. Ang like terms natin ay ang 3x at ang 7x. 3x plus 7x is 10x. And then, next like term natin, 9 at negative 56. 9 minus negative 56 is negative 47 over x minus 8 times x plus 3. 10x minus 47 has no factored form. Kahit na pagkuha ng GCF o other factoring method, wala na siyang factored form. I know because I checked it. Therefore, it is the final answer. Example number 3. 7 over 8 minus x minus 4 over x minus 9. To find the LCD, multiply the denominators. It will become 8 times x minus 9. Step 2, do the takip method. 8. Takpan natin ang 8. Takpan ng 8. Ang naiwan ay x minus 9. Multiply x minus 9 to 7. It will become 7 times x minus 9. Minus, kasi minus ang ating operation. Ang sunod nating tatakpan ay x minus 9. X minus 9. Ang naiwan ay 8. Multiply 8 to the numerator x minus 4. Step 3. Simplify by distributive property. Distribute 7 kay x minus 9 at ang negative 8 kay x minus 4. 7 times x is 7x. 7 times negative 9 is negative 63. Negative 8 times x is negative 8x. Negative times negative 4 is positive 32. All over 8 times x minus 9. Next step, add like terms. Add 7x and negative 8x. 7x minus 8x is negative x. Negative 63 plus 32 is negative 31. Over 8 times x minus 9.
Negative x minus 31 has no greatest common factor and is not factorable for any factoring method. This is the final answer.
Example number 4. 3x plus 1 over x squared plus 2x minus 3 minus x minus 4 over x squared minus 9. Kapag ang denominators natin ay factorable, ang pagkuha ng LCD ay hindi basta-bastang imumultiply ang ating denominators. Kailangan i-factor out muna ang ating denominator. The first denominator is factorable by factoring general trinomial where a is greater than 1. At ang binomial factors ng x squared plus 2x minus 3 ay x plus 3 and x minus 1. Kopyahin ang numerator, 3x plus 1 minus. Ang second denominator ay factorable by factoring difference of two squares, kung saan ang factors niya ay sum and difference of two terms. Ang square root ng x squared ay x, kaya lagay natin dito x, at ang square root ng 9 ay 3. Ito ang ating second term. Copy the numerator, x minus 4. This time, pwede na natin kunin ang LCD. Sa pagkuha ng LCD, pag-isahin ang magkaparehong binomial factor. At ang parehong binomial factor sa denominator ay x plus 3. Pag-iisahin mo na lang yan sa LCD. O isa na lang. Ayan. At ang mga walang kapareha, x minus 1 and x minus 3. Ang susunod na step ay takip method. Ang tatakpan natin para sa ating first term ay ang x plus 3 at ang x minus 1. Takpan, takpan. Ang naiwan ay x minus 3. Ang x minus 3 ay i-multiply kay numerator 3x plus 1. Minus. Next. Minus. Ang sunod nating takpan ay ang x plus 3 at ang x minus 3. Ang naiwan ay x minus 1. I-multiply ang x minus 1 kay x minus 4. Lagyan natin ng another grouping symbol. Naka-bracket. Tandaan yan ha, ilagay ang bracket. Okay? Next. Next step. Simplify the numerator by FOIL method. Ang product ng x minus 3 and 3x plus 1 ay
3x squared minus 8x minus 3.
Minus grouping symbol ulit. Ang product ay x squared minus 5x plus 4. Okay, copy natin ang LCD. X plus 3, x minus 1, and x minus 3. Equals. Distribute negative sign to this group of terms. Kopyahin muna natin ang 3x squared minus 8x minus 3. Negative times x squared is negative x squared. Negative times negative 5x is positive 5x. Negative times negative is positive. Negative times positive 4 is negative 4. Kopyahin ulit natin ang ating LCD. X plus 3, x minus 1, and x minus 3. Simplify the numerator by adding like terms. 3x squared. Ang kalike terms niya ay ang negative x squared. 3x squared minus x squared is 2x squared. Negative 8x, ang like terms niya ay positive 5x. Negative 8x plus 5x is negative 3x. Negative 3 and negative 4. Negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7. Kopyahin ulit ang LCD. X plus 3, x minus 1, and x minus 3. 2x squared minus 3x minus 7 is a trinomial where a is greater than 1. I tried factoring general trinomial where a is greater 1. There is no binomial factors. Therefore, this is the final answer. Example number 5. The sum of 2x over x squared plus 4x plus 3 and 3x minus 6 over x squared plus 5x plus 6. The denominators are trinomial and both are factorable by factoring quadratic trinomial where a equals 1. The binomial factors of the first denominator is x plus 3 and x plus 1. Copy the numerator 2x plus the binomial factors of x squared plus 5x plus 6 is x plus 3 and x plus 2. Copy the numerator 3x minus 6. Kuhain ng LCD ang common binomial factor at yun ay ang x plus 3. Pag isahin natin yan, isa na lang. And then, ang walang kapareho, x plus 1 at ang x plus 2. Next is takip method. Okay, takip method. Takpan natin ang x plus 3 at ang x plus 1. Ito yun, takpan. Ang naiwan ay x plus 2. We'll multiply x plus 2 to the numerator 2x plus ang takpan naman natin ay ang x plus 3 at ang x plus 2. Takpan, takpan. Ang naiwan sa LCD ay ang x plus 1. Multiply x plus 1 to the second numerator, 3x minus 6. Simplify the first term by distributive property. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 2 is positive 4. Plus, simplify the second term by FOIL method. Ang product ay 3x squared minus 3x minus 6. All over the LCD x plus 3, x plus 1, and x plus 2. Simplify the numerator by adding like terms. At ang like terms natin ay 2x squared and 3x squared. 2x squared plus 3x squared is positive 5x squared. Negative 3x, wala siyang ka-like term, so copy na lang, negative 3x. Then, positive 4 minus 6 is negative 2 over the LCD is x plus 3, x plus 1, and x plus 2. 5x squared minus 3x minus 2 is factorable by factoring general trinomial
where a is greater than 1.
The binomial factors are 5x plus 2 and x minus 1 over x plus 3 times x plus 1 and x plus 2. Bakit natin finactor out? Para makita natin polynomial factor sa numerator at sa denominator. So, kung mapapansin, walang common polynomial factor. Therefore, ito na po ang ating final answer. Pwedeng ito, pwede na rin ito.